Greetings from JH Tarapur family to all the people who are watching this video. Today is 5th June and it is observed as the World Environment Day across the whole world. The purpose of assigning a day for this is to create awareness about the environmental issues like global warming, ozone layer depletion, sustainable consumption, conservation of energy, to name a few. The pandemic has had vast adverse impact on various sectors and has brought the whole economy to a standstill. But every dark cloud has a silver lining, they say. So we see that the environment as such has been impacted positively to a great extent. We can see that because of the commercial activities coming to a stop, there has been a reduction in the exploitation of natural resources. There is less air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, and things have improved. But what we need to ponder on is, do we always wait for a pandemic to come and straighten out things for us? Or do we wake up and be alert about these environmental concerns even during a normal scenario? So with this thought, I would like to wish for all of you a safe planet, a green planet, and a very clean planet. Thank you.
to all of you on World Environment Day. The theme for this year is ecosystem restoration. It is the process of assisting in the recovery of an ecosystem which has either been degraded or damaged or destroyed. All of us have the capability of taking small, simple steps to make this world a better place to live in. It could either be planting a sapling or just simply turning off the tap when not in use, or switching off the lights and fans when it is not required. We can easily do all these things. All of you, of all the classes, have taken part in a variety of activities to mark the importance of this day, and that is really commendable. But let us not just think of our planet on this special day. Let us make it a habit and a practice to do what is right and to do what is required for our planet.
World Environment Day, a very important day for mankind. When God created the world, He first made the sun, the moon, stars, the water kingdom, the animal kingdom. And then he said, why not make someone who will enjoy this creation? And so he made man. Man enjoyed this creation of God for years to come. Then man got so engrossed in using this creation and enjoying it that mankind did not realize that they were misusing it. And now, today, it has led to many climatic changes, global warming, pollution, and carbon footprint, to mention a few. So, now it becomes our duty to look after Mother Earth. We have to take a pledge today and ensure that the world is a better place to live in. Dear students, a message for you. Make an effort to turn off the leaking taps, to switch off the fans and lights when not in use. And these little small acts will help the future generation to see a better world.